Hey everyone, want to make your Google Form link shorter and cleaner? Here is how to rename it using a custom URL. So first open any Google Form, if which one you want to send. So I'll just click on this untitled form I prepared for this video. So after it's open, you can see the share icon here. So I'll just click on this for the first step and it will show up the share untitled form at people, groups and calendar events. And the people with access is only me right now. So if we want to share the link, you can just simply click on this, copy responder link. So it will copy itself. As you can see, link copied. Now for the next step, you can go to any URL shortener like bit.ly.com. I'll add the description box of this and then paste your form link and click shorten. Then click edit to rename it with a custom word or phrase while sharing it with others. And that's it. Now you have got a clean, shareable form link. Like and subscribe for more tips. I'm sorry for stammering a little bit. I hope you pardon my mistakes and keep watching if you like my videos. Thank you so much.